Myths and facts about the Delta Conveyance Project. Myth: the project is one of the biggest salmon killing projects in state history. Fact: assertions that the project will harm salmon are not supported by the evidence in the project's environmental analysis. The environmental impact report shows that potential impacts are minimized by mitigation measures such as habitat restoration and design features such as state-of-the-art fish screens. In addition, DWR will obtain appropriate approvals from state and federal fishery agencies to ensure that any effects to salmon populations are fully mitigated. Far from being a salmon killing project, the Delta Conveyance Project will support the health of Delta fisheries. For more information, go to deltaconveyanceproject.com.